Namaste students, welcome to our social class. From today we are beginning block 17 and we are doing S1, the shape of the earth. This 17th block's name is Earth and its neighbors. As we have neighbors next to our houses, around our houses, even earth also has neighbors. The neighbors of the earth are the planets, the stars. Okay, so today the topic that we are going to learn is the shape of the earth. Let us see some shapes, then you can tell me, right? So this is the shape of a circle. Okay, this is a circle and this is the shape of a ball. Okay, if you color it, it looks like a ball, right? This is a cone. We all have learned in our earlier classes the shapes. Okay, in second class you have learned the shapes like circle, sphere, cone, cylindrical. All these are shapes. So our planet Earth on which we are living, it is somewhat like a sphere. Okay, looks like a circle but it is a sphere, like a ball. Okay, and in order to understand how it exactly looks, we can look at a globe and learn something about the earth. Now let us look at a globe, right? Now we are going to learn what is the shape of the globe. What is the shape of the globe? Is it a proper sphere? How is it same as a sphere and how is different from a sphere? We are going to learn. Okay, what you see here is a model of a globe. It's a picture of a globe. Okay, globe is a model of the earth. A globe is round like a ball. Okay, it has spherical shape but it is flat on the top and bottom. So if you observe, it will be flat on the top and bottom, unlike a ball. Okay, ball will be totally like a sphere, but a globe will be flattened on the top, little flat here and little flat here. So a globe is a model of the earth. Now what can you say about the shape of the earth? The earth is spherical in shape but is flat at the top of the bottom. This is a model of the earth. Okay, so it is flat on the top and flat at the bottom. The earth is also flat on the top and flat at the bottom. It is round. It has no edges. The flattened end at the top is the North Pole and the bottom end is called the South Pole. How do we know that the earth is spherical in shape? Okay, now we have learned that the earth is spherical in shape, but can we prove this fact that earth is really spherical in shape? Okay, let us try to understand some facts. We have seen pictures of earth. Okay, we have seen the picture of the earth in many books as sphere. Okay, the shape of the earth is sphere. You can see here also, right? Many astronauts are the people who travel into the space. Many astronauts have been into the space and clicked pictures of the earth. All the pictures show that the earth to be a sphere. Okay, it's like a sphere. There was a scientist called Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, one scientist proved that the earth is round and has no edges. How? He went a long journey. Okay, he went a long journey from Spain in his ship. So in his ship it started from one place and he went round the earth. He kept on traveling. Then he reached the same place from where he started. So he thus proved that the earth is round. If we move in one direction of the earth and continue moving, we would meet the same point after some years. If it was not a sphere and some other shape with edges, we would have fallen off. Okay, because it is a sphere, if you start from a certain place here, if you keep on moving in the same direction, then from the back side you will come again back to the same spot, same place from where you have started. So this itself proves that the earth is in the shape of a sphere. If it wasn't in a sphere, then people would have just fallen down, right? So from your Exceed textbook, read the shape of the earth. Okay, this is this part you read. Okay, shape of the earth from starting to here you'll read. Here is also about 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is like a ball. Right, this you read and finish S1 of the workbook. Okay, S1 is very easy. What is the shape of the earth and all the very easy questions are there. And you have to circle the shape of that shape which looks like earth in S1 workbook worksheet. Okay, in S1 worksheet what questions are there is that in the first question 4 pictures are given. Out of the 4 pictures you have to circle that picture which is similar to earth. Okay, which is same as earth, that you have to do. Then in second question you have 2 boxes. In one box there is a drawing, or you have to draw that, and in the second box you have to write. Okay, and third box I'll tell you in the class, right? So you finish off S1, and there are some practice question 1 and 2. What are these? Let us see. Practice question 1. The shape of the earth can be compared to a ball. Okay, ball or sphere. The earth is dash at poles. The earth is flattened at poles. C fill in the blank. Dash proved that the earth is round like a ball. Okay, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round like a ball. Okay, the north pole is in the dash of the earth. Okay, northern side of the earth. The south pole is at the bottom of the earth or the southern side of the earth. Second question, how is the shape of the earth similar to the shape of the orange? They are asking you compare the shape of earth and the shape of the fruit orange. Both are similar. Why? Because orange also looks spherical, but at the top and the bottom, okay, it is little bit flattened. Same, earth is also like a orange fruit. On the northern pole, northern side and southern side, it is little bit flattened. Okay, these are the 2 questions which you are going to do. Practice question number 1, this fill in the blanks. Practice question number 1 is this 5 fill in the blanks, and practice question number 2 is this shape of the earth is similar to an orange. This is the homework for today. That's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day.